Hi, my name is Joanna Ramirez Salcedo, and I am going to talk about why are animals used in scientific research. How many of us have heard about that animals shouldn't be used for research or for experiment? But we need to learn and know more about why animals are used for these purposes. For example, animals are used in research to help us to develop new medicines and to understand and help us to understand the way that our bodies work and also our organs. This is necessary to create new potential medicines, and animals are used to test these medicines before they are tested in people, and so we can check the effects of the other chemicals. I am going to talk about what I think scientists use animals to learn more about health problems that affect both humans and animals, and also to assure the safety new medical treatments. This is a bar chart showing how animals are used in research. For example, research to understand the body health and illness. An illness has a 27%, safety testing of medicines has a 13%, research and development to medicines has 9%, other, for example, environmental protection and species preservation has 0.5%, and breeding genetically modified animals has 0.5%. Research using mice is relevant to people. The most common animal used for experiments or research is mice. That's because humans share at least 9% of their genes with these animals. And also we have the same vital organs, for example, our heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, and our brain. Although animals can seem different to us, our biology is often very similar. Control of animal research. Well, a scientific or an institution to can use animals, they have to get a license from the Home Office. Their application is judged by other scientifics, vets, or other people in ethic committees. To get the license, the scientists have to demonstrate that there is non-animal method to answering their research questions, and also need to show that with their methods they will need to use the minimum number of animals necessary to get reliable results. The life of a research animal. Animals that are used for research are specially bred. This makes sure that they are free of disease and they are also in good conditions. At the end of the study or experiment, the animals used for research is humanly killed, and if this is not necessary, the animal can be used in another experiment. Don't forget, animals are used to understand and develop new medicines to our health. The most common animals used in research are mice, thanks to share them at least 90% with our vital organs. Scientific and organizations need to get a license to can use animals in research, and research animals are specially bred. Will future medical advances require animal research? Too many of them will, to understand the whole body and the way that our organs are interconnected. And all potential medicines and new chemicals need to be tested first in animals before test in people. That's why we can avoid the death of many people. And that's all.
Okay, so are you tossing a coin or? I was kidding.
Sí, no lo voy a hacer.